To add a letter grade total column to your grade center in Blackboard, you have to first go to your grade center. That's under course management, grade center. Then we're going to go to create calculated column. Hit the total column. Under column name, we'll give this letter grade. The grade center name will be the same. For our primary display, we will select the letter plus minus grading schema. So the letter grade will be calculated on this grading schema, which is this. So right now it's set up as a plus minus grading scale. And then we're going to hit submit. And you will notice that we now have a letter grade column that will display plus minus letter grades. So let's say if your department or your course does not use the plus minus letter grade system and you want to add just a flat A, B, C, D, F grading scale, you would have to create a new grading schema. For that, you go to Manage and click on Grading Schemas. And then you'll create a grading schema. Let's call this letter grade. And then define the scores. So right now I have A, B, C, D, F, and I've given it my scores. Once I'm done, I'm going to hit submit. And you'll see I have two grading schemas. One is the plus minus one, and the other is just a flat out A, B, C, D grading schema. And if I go back to my grade center, I can edit my letter grade column. And I can select whatever grading schema I want, either the flat out A, B, C, D or the plus minus scale. And that's how you edit the grading schema of your course in Blackboard.